So today we have the 3-pack box from Sam's Club. Let's check it out. I love these boxes from Sam's Club because not only do you get a Pokeball, you get yourself 2 151 tins. And 151 is kind of magical sometimes. I have pulled the Flying Zard. I'm missing so many of the major cards. And could this take any longer to come off here? I guess I'll just eat it around a little bit. Okay, there's our ball. Put it over there. And these things I have to basically cut open for. Oh, there we go. Got it. And this one. Okay, there's that one. And all right. So we have 4 packs of 151, which makes this deal a real good one. Got a couple of cards about the tins. We have a couple of coins here. And then out of the ball, we have a Silver Tempest, a Lost Origin, and a Lost Origin. So let's start with Silver Tempest. A little beat up. Let's see what we got here. Vulpix, Drowsy, Growlithe, Whalmer, Vulpix Reverse, and Arcane Nothingness. Oh well. Let's see what's in these next ones here. Remember, never have first pack magic, so. Lost Origin. Let's see if we can pull anything from Lost Origin. We got a Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, Tynamo, Litleo, Dewgong, and a Zoroark. Wow, that's a cool card. Oh, I've never pulled that one before. That is so cool. We have up there the V-Star card. Okay. And our last Lost Origin. Shellos, Binacle, Porygon, Ducklet, Blipbug, Stunfisk, and okay. Now that Sword and Shield's out of the way, let's open these 151s. Seal, Dundu, Tentacool, Rattata, Bill's Transfer. I wonder why he's transferring. Golbat. I don't know why that's a trainer. Leftovers. The Grabber and Flareon. Very cool. Oh, and Bill's Transfer again, but this time he's shiny. Ooh, shiny. Oh, look at that. We got some shiny energy, too. Ooh, shiny. All sorts of shiny going on that one. I think the one was a reverse, by the way. Megamite. Caterpie. Eevee. The Dome Fossil. Cloyster. The Grabber. Kingler. Sandshrew. Reverse, Dragonite Reverse, and Flareon Shiny. Ooh. Put you back there. Alright. We're doing alright. Doing okay. Doing alright. Doing okay. Okay, Tentacool, Rat-a-tat-tat. Squirtle. Licky time. Hitmonlee. My brother. Squirtle. Hypno. Reverse Abra. Reverse Manchoke and Kingskakon. Kingskakon. I think that's how you pronounce that. Cool card. And that energy. Alright. Last pack. Can we get something cool out of the last pack? Well, we got that Dome Fossil. You know, I got to deal with him and the Weedle and the Zubat and the Goldeen. Or is this Golden? The Rigid Band. Nordrino. Executor. Look at that. Executor Reverse. Growlithe Reverse. And Electrode. And Basic Energy. Well, thanks for watching.